Alright, ito na naman tayo guys. Let's unboxing the other kind of perfume from Flower Bomb, Viktor and Rolf. And na-try ko na yung tester niya guys. Nung bumili kami sa mall. Ayun. Ilang araw siya bago mawala, mag-fade yung amoy ng pabango. So kaya isa siya sa talaga sa pinaka gusto ko. Aside sa Ariana Grande na Candy, ito yung pinaka gusto ko talaga din. Ayan. Isang kamay nakahawak sa camera, isang kamay nag-open ng box. So, ayan siya guys. Ang ganda ng set kasi gusto ko lagi yung set na may spray. Hand carry spray na perfume para lagay mo lang sa bag. O kaya sa pag-travel. Ganda siya. Siyempre yung lotion, sobrang bango talaga. I love it. So, yan yung niya, yung pang-travel spray perfume. It lasted for a few days. I love this perfume. One of the best. Of course, yan yung lotion niya set. Nahirapan ako I asked Max help. I think I asked help for him to hold the camera. Because he's like, Mommy, I wanted to help you. Nakikita yung mukha ni Max. Starring. Ayan, ang ganda ang bango ng lotion, guys. Flower Bomb, Viktor and Rolf. Try that one and you won't regret. Very, very nice. Napakabango. Super. It lasted for a few days. Actually, even if you wash the clothes, guys, still there, the smell. One hand with phone, one hand try to remove the perfume here. The bomb perfume. Nice design. I think I asked Mask here to hold the phone already. Or not yet. Maybe not. We're so noisy, especially Max. So that's why I decided to make a voice record instead. Ayan siya, flower bomb. So before you can spray, you need to remove that flower on the side. Click it. You can't open it yet without removing that flower plastic on the side. I love that. Ayan, balik ko lang muna. Ganda siya. I love that. Ayan. Actually, sabay kong binuksan yung perfume at yung AirPad ko. Kaso, ayan. Kanya separate ko lang siya gawing premiere para naman may pang-upload. O, diba? Ayan. Thank you, guys.